Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good. In today's video, I will be showing you few jewelry pieces that I have got from Snapdeal. I have quite a few range. They range from bracelets to necklaces, not a lot. But as per my overview and my experience with Snapdeal, all of their jewelries have been a banger product, so I'm really excited to show you these pieces. So without wasting a lot of time, let's start with the video. So the first box that I have is this one, and it has this amazing oh this amazing set of kundan and ol olki sort of a necklace, and it's looking so pretty. Like, I have ordered products which make sure that goes with western as well as indian outfits, and this sort of necklaces go with both indian and western outfits. They go with any sort of deep lines, and I really like these sort of patterns and I don't know, styles. And I really like these. Like, this will look very minimal, yet they will enhance the look. So that is what we are looking at. We don't want to look that as if it's our own wedding, but we want to look like chic, minimal boss lady, and this will do the job. This pair of earrings, and I really like these. Like, see, instantly it enhances the look, and I love these sort of drop wali earrings, which are long but not so long, जिससे बहुत ज़्यादा वो heavy bulky लगे. Like, very minimal, flowy, and this dangling earrings love. I love. And these are so cute. I love these. Okay, so the next piece that we are looking at is this amazing, very chic, minimal bracelet, and these are a lot in trend these days. These are very dainty anti-tarnish necklaces and bracelets that we will be looking at. I got these at a very affordable price, which I really like about Snapdeal. मुझे बहुत अच्छे discounted price पे मिल गया था, and I love it. This piece that we are looking at is this lead, diamond, and emerald sort of style. I really like these type of necklaces that go well with both Indian as well as Western outfits. And emerald green is sort of those styles that goes well with any color. Like, this was very much in trend during the wedding of Kiara and Sid, and I know how much craze it caused and how much in style it came when Kiara wore a emerald green necklace with a baby pink, soft pink look. Oh, we're doing the same, except I'm just wearing a top and she was wearing a lehenga. Anyways, I love aise necklaces that go well with both of my genres, that is the Indian as well as the Western outfits, because I know I don't need to buy multiple necklaces for like alag alag function. We have earrings with this, and these are so pretty. I love these. Like, sometimes you just don't need to wear a necklace when you're wearing high neck tops and all, and you just need a pop of color, and these earrings do the exact same thing, like pop of color wali justice. And I really like these. Like, देखो दूर से भी you can see the green as well as the diamond sort of stones. I really like these. So the next piece that we are looking at is this amazing kada style wale bracelets. These are very much in trend. You can see every girl wearing it. Like, you can see I am wearing that too, but different style mein. This is not from Snapdeal, we will ignore this. This is our center of focus and center of attention. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल प्राइस में मुझे मिल गया था, एंड इसकी जो देखो, ये तो मैंने खोल रखा है, एंड इसका जो लुक है ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा है. इट्स अ लिटिल लूज फॉर माई हैंड, बट इफ़ यू आर नॉट one of those thin wrist girlies जो मैं हूँ, it will definitely fit you. It's a little loose on my hand. Next piece that we are looking at is really colorful. See, it does look very chatak and very colorful, but trust me, when you're outfit is like very 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 basic, you need to have these sort of necklaces. I'm not saying जब आपके outfit भी बहुत ज़्यादा colourful हो तब ये आप पहनो, but I'm saying on days and on those events जब आपका outfit एकदम simple हो and you need a pop of color, you need to have some sort of colorful elements in your accessory. ये adjustable strap जैसा सा है, so it is like really amazing. It will fit you, you can adjust it as per your liking. So these are the earrings that you get. They definitely, that this part wala is not movable, but they look amazing. Like these are very chotu yet very attractive. I really like these earrings. Is gonna be another bracelet. This bracelet is a showstopper. I have worn this bracelet in my college fest and I really like this bracelet. This is the bracelet that I'm talking about. Isko pehen lo, like, just a second. Yeah, you just wear it and it does the job. It makes sure that आपके हाथ आजकल वैसी वाले चंकी कड़े बहुत ज़्यादा चले हैं. This is one of them. मुझे ये इसलिए ज़्यादा पसंद आता है because I don't need to layer multiple bracelets at the same time. This will do the job. That is it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel below. I have attached all the links in my community box as well as in the description box, so do check them out as well. Until then, bye guys, see you in the next one.